Hi, my name is Jeff Gunther. I'm the owner of Gunther's Machining and Rebuilding in Walkersville, Maryland. We're a full-service machine shop. We work on metal jobs. We have lathes and mills, plus we have an automotive machine shop. We work on anything from a 1-cylinder to a 12-cylinder, gas, diesel, and propane. We're a full, complete machine shop. I've been in business for 35 years, and the business is booming. Right now, we're really busy, which is a great news for everybody. Today, I'm going to talk about Rottler. We have Rottler resurfacers. We have Rottler boring machines, and we just purchased a new Rottler seat and guide machine. This machine is very precise. It's right on the money. All the tooling is very precision. It actually speeds up the process of your job. You can cut all the valves to the same height on every job. It's a great machine. The Rottler machine is called the SG9MTS. It's automatic. It's a great machine. It does a great job. It's very consistent. The consistency is great with the job. It's an excellent machine. It speeds up the process, speeds up the time of the job. I can't really say a lot about it. We just purchased it a couple months ago, but it has been a great machine, and I really refer you to buying the machine. It's been a good purchase and a good investment. The business of the machine shop business is really booming right now. The only problem we have now is employment. It's hard to get good skilled workers, but we have had a very good business the last 35 years, and I see the future is going to be promising. But I highly recommend the Rottler machines. The seat and guide machine is one of the best investments I've made. Thank you.